The Mercedes with spacers and wheel accessories that create more space between brake rotors and the wheels. This allows you to add bigger brake calipers correctly. They also increase the track width, hence strengthening the grip. As the gripping power increases, the resistance to rollover enhances. You'll experience better handling and more comfortable driving.
If you install them properly, high-quality Mercedes with spacers are exactly safe for daily driving.
BONOSS with spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles.
The thickness of Mercedes with spacers depends mostly on the custom model and the wheel clearance, 3mm to 10mm with spacers. If you want to fit a big briefcase without significantly altering the wheel offset, then 3mm to 10mm with spacers are the best option. 12mm to 20mm with spacers. If you would like a perfect flush wheel stance, 12mm to 20mm with spacers are more suitable. They enhance the handling, particularly when cornering. BONOSS lightweight fast Mercedes with spacers are machined with hollow carb. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced over 30%. The weight of this BONOSS with spacer is quite insignificant, and they won't damage any suspension parts. 1-inch to 2-inch with spacers. If you like a more aggressive stance, you can use 25mm to 15mm with spacers with a wide body kit. They help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to more comfortable driving.
BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance.
If you have aftermarket wheels that don't have the ideal offset, then Mercedes with spacer can help achieve the perfect fitment. No matter which size spacer you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure your safety.